Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Progress Tracker block in WordPress Nextr. This is part of a series of videos taking a look at Nextr's blocks one by one. To get started, let's open up a brand new blank page and take a look at this block on its own. Before we continue any further, for the beginners out there, if this right-hand sidebar isn't here, there's this button called Settings beside the Publish button. Just click on that. And this is where all of the settings toggle configure for the block will show up. Next, let's give our page a title. And last but not least, let's add the block itself. On the top left corner over here, click on the plus icon. It's called the Block Inserter. And we can either search for the block or Nextr block is right here, so we can just scroll down and look for it manually. But we can search for it, and you can see Progress Trackers right here. Let's drag and drop this. And you can see that it doesn't really look like anything. So right now, let's go ahead and add a bunch of blocks here. And let's make our page a bit bigger. Okay, we added a bunch of accordion items over there. And you can see that we have our progress tracker over here. So it's not going to display on the back end. But once we put it on the front end or the preview over here, you can see that once we scroll down, we have this orange bar here. And that's pretty self-explanatory as to what the progress tracker bar is. So let's take a look at the style. We have a vertical. All right, there you go. It's appearing right now. And we have circular. So once we scroll down, it should fill up right there. And we can apply it to the entire page, or we can apply it to certain classes. We can apply a class to our blocks here, and it's only going to appear on there. So we don't have to worry about applying it to images, let's say headings, featured images, and so on and so forth. Let's just enable it to the entire page, and let's put it as horizontal, right? And we can change the position from the top or the bottom. And you can see it doesn't really move because we're on the back end. And we can change the style from here to here, right? And this is very helpful. This is really helpful when we're making things like online quizzes or questionnaires, things of that nature, or reading long articles, for instance. And we can change what these are pins, so we can change, we can add pins here, and we can choose to, we can choose to add certain hard locations to which container it's in. So we have to grab a container ID and then copy paste it into here. And we have our style bar over here, so we can change the size. You can make it like thicker or thinner. We can add a background. We can add a border to it. We can change the border color, border width, border radius. We can change the fill color, right? From instead of orange, we can make it green. The percentage, we can change the typography of the percentage, and we can make it like Times New Roman, and we can make it a bit bigger. And we can change the background option, and then we can also change the offset depending on our site. And under advanced settings, we can set up our global styles, our background spacing, scroll animation, display rules, our Z index, or Z offset, and our responsive settings to hide us on desktop, tablet, and our mobile. So let's go ahead and click on Publish and take a look at the live site. And here we have our Progress Tracker bar, and it's scrolling down. And the reason why we have it on here on the side is because we accidentally put it over onto the side. Let's save that. Hit refresh, and it should fix our block over here. And you can see we have our progress bar with our big percentage and our green bar. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Hey, if you found this video helpful, be sure to check out one of our other videos, or go ahead and check out our channel and subscribe to see more content like this.